And it's 2023. So you have a big decision to make. Are you going to settle for a repeat of 2022? Or are you ready to accelerate your business and even your life by making some big changes? I hope you're planning to accelerate, since the opportunities this year are going to be massive. You know, at Offline Sharks, we're seeing evidence of this already. Hey there, Jason Moran here on behalf of Offline Sharks. To some of you in our group, I'm already a familiar name, but just in case, let me introduce myself. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a course creator, and I'm a marketer. Years ago, I found a passion for generating leads for local businesses, building systems and automations that make a massive impact in people's lives. And to date, I've generated tens of thousands of leads in over 24 niches. Since joining the Sharks as one of our premier trainers, Tom and Nick have entrusted me with propelling our lead gen training and your business to the next level. Now, what we have to share with you will be a major breakthrough for your agency, for your lifestyle, and most importantly, for your income. You know, here's why we're so excited. You know, last year we were reviewing our client sales records and we noticed something very interesting. As many of you know, we are big fans of targeting local service businesses. You know, places like remodelers, car repair, landscapers, handymen, painters. And many of our students have built giant marketing agencies based on these blue-collar services. But here's what really blew us away. Our records clearly showed we were doing well with these service businesses. There was no doubt. But our results from the professional service businesses were typically twice as good, ranging up to 3 times better in agency fees. This was a massive light bulb moment. You know, it was like guaranteeing us a huge raise for doing the same amount of work, and as you know, that rarely happens. So now I'm sure you'd agree, that's a huge difference. And here's what's also exciting. We were not doing any more work or spending any more time on these professional service businesses. In fact, in a lot of cases, we were engaged less with these professional services than we were with the blue-collar firms. So you may be asking, what do I mean by professional services? Well, you know, rather than make this video too long, you can just scroll down the page and you'll discover all the details, including all the most comprehensive training focused on getting clients. And we promise you, this is the market you want to be in. This is the market you want to sell in. This is the market you want to focus on. And this is the market that you will win big in. Now, we've developed a powerful system to do that almost effortlessly. Sound exciting? If not, then maybe you need to check your pulse. Now, this has been the talk of our group from the moment news of it leaked out. Now, this is your first and only chance to get involved. I'm ready to make you our best offer, and that includes removing all the risk on your part. You know, we're asking for only a small payment to get you started, far less than this will cost you in a few days. Getting in now will pay big dividends and will open up a whole new opportunity for you, one that will last forever. Now, if you're the type of person that I think you are, you'll immediately see the value in this, and nothing will stop you from picking this up immediately. So go ahead, join us now so we can share our latest secrets in professional services payday and help you chart your winning course for 2023. Welcome aboard, and I will see you on the inside.